My videos are for open category for everyone. One video I want to launch every week will talk about the CET reserved category students. So if you are with me, so please hit the like button so that it can motivate me to make more videos like this. So today we'll talk about the complete overview about the CET for the reserved category students, right from cutoff, books, mocks, fees, and all India seats. And then we'll go deep down. If you permit, if you like this video, if you want more videos, please do comment. I'll be making more videos about going deep down into each of them. Yeah, number one, your preparation is not going to change if you're from the reserved category student. Of course, yeah, you have to study the same books, you study everything, but because the cutoff is slightly lower, it's very, very motivating. Trust me about that. So that's the number one point which I want to make home. The cutoff is very, very low. So you can see it here. I've given you the cutoff here for the reserve for everyone, for open category, SC, ST, everyone cutoff is here. ठीक है, तो दिस इज द पॉइंट नंबर वन. यार अब देखो यार, अभी किसी किसी कैटेगरी का कट ऑफ इज आल्सो 120, 125. सो ओपन कैटेगरी वाले का कंपटीशन स्टार्ट होता है 125 पे. या आई नॉर्मली से दैट दिल्ली जाना है तो पहला टारगेट इज 125, जेबी जाना है तो फर्स्ट टारगेट इज 125 एंड हेयर तुम्हारी कट ऑफ इज 125. तो भाई ये फर्क पड़ता है. दिस थिंग इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर मोटिवेशन, फॉर योर कॉन्फिडेंस. Yeah, that's my point number one. So point number one is the cutoff. So note the cutoff for your category. This is the first thing I want to make home. Second thing which I want to talk about now is your books. So complete black books. Yeah, there are 10 books of black color by CET King. If you can cover up these 10 books, this cover up the complete syllabus about the CET exam. Because problem is nobody, trust me, nobody have the exact syllabus of CET covered. Because सब classes का focus is CAT. ठीक है, हम लोग भी कैट का क्लासेस करते हैं, बट आई एम फ्रॉम जेबी, माई फोकस विल ऑलवेज बी ऑन सीईटी, या सीईटी विल ऑलवेज बी अलॉन्ग विद दैट, विल बी विद मी. या तो ब्लैक बुक्स खत्म करो एंड यू हैव टू गिव मिनिमम 30 to 40 मॉक्स. देर आर पीपल जो 10-10 मॉक करके भी जेबी निकाल लेते हैं, लेकिन भैया हम हार्ड वर्किंग लोग हैं. आई एम नॉट वेरी स्मार्ट बट आई एम वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग. For me, I need at least 20, 30, 40 mocks to get that. And all the interviews I've taken for all the toppers, everyone have said the magic number 40 mocks, 30 mocks, 40 mocks, 30 mocks. So that's a number. ये वो करना है. Now come the main advantage, fees कम है यार. This is the main thing. I want to give the example of Willinker. Willinker का seat fees is approximately 7 lakhs. Now here I need someone to help me out because I want someone who is from that category going to Willinker. They can tell us better about this. This is a fees for the open category. So if you're from the open category, fees is 7 lakh. If you're from the SC/ST, fees is 7,000. Yes, 2 साल का फीस is 7,000 rupees. TWFS जो नया भी कैटेगरी स्टार्ट हुआ है कोटा, फीस is 38,000. There's no tuition fees, but you have to pay the other fees, admin charges and all. That is 38,000. 2 साल का MBA is 38,000 rupees. Yeah, this is the advantage of CET. This is why people are leaving IIMs also, new IIMs obviously, the baby IIMs, and coming to the CET colleges, JB, Sydenham, Somaya, JB, Sydenham and V School, because of all these things. Yeah, so this was the overview. Yep. Last part is the All India seat. Now this is where the problem comes. Maharashtra seats, the reserved category seats are only available for the Maharashtra student. If you are from like SC category from Delhi, you will be counted as the open seat. Because this, see, why the fees is less? Because the government is paying your fees. Yeah, if your fees is less, Maharashtra government is funding your education. Now, because Maharashtra government is funding the education, they want to fund the education for the Maharashtra students only. Yeah, lot of states have this thing, same rules. यार ये मेरे को ऐसे ना देखो, मेरी कोई गलती नहीं इसमें, ये महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट का रूल है. So if you are from the OBC category from Kolkata, you will be counted as the open category student. So आपका ऑल इंडिया का जो कट ऑफ था आपका वो काउंट होगा. ठीक है, सो यू हैव टू चेक द कट ऑफ द ऑल इंडिया सीट्स इन दैट केस. फाइन. सो दिस इज द ओवरव्यू वीडियो, द फर्स्ट वीडियो. मैंने ये डर के बनाया वीडियो. इफ यू परमिट आई विल मेक अ वीडियो एवरी वीक लाइक दिस टॉकिंग अबाउट द for the reserved category students. So all my videos are for open category or for everyone. One video every week will be for the reserved category. And I am creating the WhatsApp Telegram group as well. See, WhatsApp में spamming बहुत होती है यार. Telegram में spamming control करना थोड़ा easy है. In the description box I've given the link for the reserved category students CET. That is going to be our target. Yeah, so please join the link in the description box so that all of us can come together and prepare for CET. All the best.